Another day, another story. Do you ever wonder how Google makes money? Today we will look over the several earning sources of Google in this video. Google primarily earns money through advertising. The majority of its revenue comes from its advertising platform, Google Ads, which allows businesses to display ads on Google search results pages, YouTube, and partner websites. Advertisers pay Google when users click on their ads, pay-per-click, or when their ads are displayed, impressions-based advertising. Google also generates revenue through other services and products, including Google Cloud. Google offers a range of cloud computing services, including infrastructure, storage, and software solutions, to businesses and developers for a fee. Google Workspace, formerly G Suite. Google provides productivity tools and collaboration software, such as Gmail, Google Drive, Google Docs, Google Sheets, and Google Slides, to businesses and individuals on a subscription basis. Google Play Store. Google operates an app store for Android devices, where developers can sell their apps, games, and digital content. Google takes a percentage of the revenue generated from app sales and in-app purchases. Google Hardware. Google designs and sells hardware products such as smartphones, Pixel, smart speakers, Google Home, and streaming devices, Chromecast. Revenue is generated through the sale of these devices. YouTube Premium and YouTube TV. Google offers premium subscription services that provide ad-free access to YouTube content and live TV streaming, respectively. Users pay a monthly fee for these services. Licensing and partnerships. Google licenses its technology and services to other companies. For example, Google's search engine may be integrated into third-party websites or devices, and Google receives revenue from these partnerships. It's important to note that the vast majority of Google's revenue comes from advertising, particularly through its search and display network. Advertising accounted for over 80% of Google's total revenue in recent years. Thanks for watching.